Okay, students of class 4, as you know, we had already done types of nouns from your grammar book. Now, these are there in your English reader book also. So, that is included in the syllabus. So, we'll see this today. Now, remember that nouns are naming words for people, places, or things. There are 4 types of nouns. We already did this. Common nouns. These are words which are used as the names for persons, places, animals, or things. Like he already had 11 cups. Cups. The cat is playing with the ball. Cat and ball. In the above sentences, cups, cat, and ball are common nouns. Now, number 2 is proper noun. These are words which are used as special names that are given to particular persons, places, or things. Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. We are planning to go to Europe this winter. Jeffrey was a splendid runner. In these sentences, Europe and Jeffrey are proper nouns. And see, first letter is always capital in proper nouns. Then collective nouns. These are words which are used as names for a collection of people, animals, or things. I have bought a bouquet of flowers for my sister. Jeffrey found his collection of cups in the field. In these sentences, bouquet and collection are collective nouns. Now, abstract nouns, these are words which are used as names for things that we cannot see or touch. Miss Brown treats stray animals with kindness. Kindness. We can only feel it but cannot see or touch. So these are abstract nouns. There was a burglary at Jeffrey's house. Burglary, the theft. So kindness and burglary are abstract nouns. Now, based on these types of nouns, we have the exercise, and we will do one exercise from your reader book which is in the syllabus. Okay, students, see. This is the exercise. You have write the types of the underlined nouns. Whichever nouns are underlined, you have to write their types. My neighbor is very kind. Neighbor. Already done. Neighbor is common noun. Now likewise you will do the others. My uncle's name is Ram. Ram is underlined. A flock of birds flew over the river. So flock is underlined. What is that noun? Write it here. We went to Kerala for our holidays. Rahim is a very hard-working student. Everyone knows about Mr. Sen's kindness. A herd of cows was standing in the middle of the road. So all these underlined words or all these underlined nouns, you write their types or what kind of nouns they are in the blank spaces in front of them. Then number C is complete the abstract noun related to these adjectives. Okay, free. From free you have to make the abstract noun. Like one has been done by me, free, so freedom. Likewise, you will do the other. From wise, what can you make? From sad, what can you make? Angry, and honest, happy. So these you will be doing yourself, practicing at home. Take it as homework. Thank you.